Hello viewers, let's see the unique features of WhatsApp camera. Well, I'm not talking about your mobile camera, but WhatsApp camera. It has a unique features of background, effects, colors, whatever. So let's watch it on the screen from underwater. First, let's go and open WhatsApp and then open the contact which you want to impress or send a change video. Then click on the camera sign and now it's in front of you an ordinary background, so let me click this sign. Now in filters you can see a lot of filters, different colors and shapes. These are very unique. Now these are the effects. You can choose any effect like this. Underwater, it's one of my favorite. So you need not to run after different background, but it's available in your own mobile WhatsApp. Now these are the backgrounds of the pictures. So click it and you can select like this living room, office, and so many others. So you need not to go after different software or different chroma keys. It's just available with one click on WhatsApp. If you would like to record it, take mark it, click back, and you can simply turn it to simple mode or click record sign. So you can record the desired video you wish. You can also click this sign to use rear camera or front camera, and it's the camera towards me and this towards the person who is sitting in the kitchen. So through this way you can record your desired video and can impress your friends effectively. Thanks for watching.